Hey guys, it's July 21st. We worked on a lake today putting steps in from getting out of the water onto land. There were steps there already. We just took them back out, put some new ones in, and then reused the old ones as per customer's wish. They look pretty cool, and we fixed a riprap around it. The customer didn't want to do the rest of the riprap. They just wanted to do around the steps. So we fixed around the steps and put new steps in there, and it looks pretty cool now. So it's Friday night. I'm grilling out on the grill. I'm going to have a good night, and you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Bye.